My cat is sweet, my cat is nice, but he loves to sneak at night. He goes out hunting in the dark and brings me back things for a lark. A single cipher, a guardian known. He brings his treasures to our home. My neighbor's had a rubber duck. My kitty's running out of luck. I have to give the stuff right back from my kitty's little sack. The beat is sneaky, can't you hear? The best cat burglar of the year. Klepto kitty steals the show. Klepto kitty, where from I don't know. Klepto kitty on the prowl. He makes all the block go. Wow. He brought me back a string of lights, one of his most daring flights. He thinks they're gifts, he's being kind. The weirdest treasures he can find. He's a legend, he's a star, doesn't matter who you are. The beat is funky, can't you see? His stolen gifts are all for me. Klepto kitty steals the show. Klepto kitty, where from I don't know. Klepto kitty on the prowl. He makes all the block go. Wow. Do the kitty sneak on your paws, breaking